Mm. Mm. There's a good atmosphere here, isn't there? It's very calm and quiet. I think that's very valuable, don't you? Because while I can never imagine living outside a city, still I like our home to be a kind of sanctuary. It's like when you drive off the road, isn't it? Onto one of those gravel tracks that leads into a mountain forest. The Pyrenees, for example, the French Pyrenees. You drive slowly between the trees for a little while longer, then you slowly turn off the engine, and then it strikes you. The silence. Perhaps it's the light in here. Perhaps it's the quality of the light in here. That window faces north, doesn't it? Because I'm much happier with reflected light. But is it possible to know people in that way? Or what you call cold, isn't that just a way of dealing with strangers? Because in a city we deal so much, don't we, with strangers. I can't see what could be achieved by letting them all into your heart. And personally, I find that level of intimacy rather stifling. I'd like to know I can walk past someone I've known for years without the least obligation to acknowledge them. I'd like to know our clothes could touch on a crowded pavement momentarily. But our eyes, if they met, which is unlikely, our eyes would agree to say nothing. And why should they? Why should we speak?